Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for December 1st, 2025. After a roller coaster November, crypto markets are stabilizing, but volatility remains high. Today, we break down key market trends, why Bitcoin miners may have signaled a bottom, and the latest on Bitcoin ETFs after weeks of wild inflows and outflows. Let's start with Bitcoin's price action. After plunging 36% from its all-time high, Bitcoin stabilized near $90,000. Market data shows miner behavior. Specifically, miners becoming underpaid as revenue dropped below operating costs, historically marks the local bottom. Several analysts say as long as Bitcoin stays above 80,000, we could see new upward momentum. That's a relief after heavy selling pressure throughout late 2025. Next, let's talk about Bitcoin ETFs. In November, BlackRock's IBID, one of the world's largest spot Bitcoin ETFs, saw outflows of over $2 billion. Despite the pressure, BlackRock says these swings are perfectly normal for a highly liquid market. Interestingly, after Thanksgiving, Bitcoin ETF inflows turned positive, with $70 million coming back in a single week. This kind of volatility shows retail and institutional investors are testing the waters, and many are still committed long-term. Now, a big picture story. Is the Bitcoin treasury model at risk? Amid price swings, companies that hold or accumulate Bitcoin, like Strategy, have faced scrutiny. Strategy CEO says they'd only sell Bitcoin as a last resort if their stock falls below net asset value and they lose financing. According to leading analysts, the real challenge for these firms isn't short-term price dips, but whether they can generate sustainable revenue. Over the next 5 years, we may see half of these corporate treasuries disappear or merge, while the most resilient could outperform even tech's Magnificent Seven. Quick recap. Miners have signaled a market bottom, ETF flows are bouncing back, and corporate Bitcoin strategies are under the microscope as the market matures. For more insights and daily updates, subscribe and check out our blog at silklogic.ai. See you tomorrow on Bitcoin Crypto Daily News.